Hello, fellow travelers. Planning a trip to Niagara Falls and wondering what to wear? Look no further. We've got you covered with this wardrobe guide. Niagara Falls has diverse weather, so knowing the seasonal climate is key to dressing right. Summers are warm, winters are cold, and spring and fall offer milder temps with surprises. Let's break it down by season. June to August calls for light and breathable clothing. T-shirts, shorts, sundresses, and comfy shoes. Don't forget a light rain jacket and sun protection gear. September to November means layering with long sleeves, sweaters, and jeans. Boots are a good call, and bring a waterproof jacket for the rain. December to February is all about heavy winter gear, thick coats, gloves, and insulated boots. Layer up and stay warm. March to May? Think light layers, jeans, and a medium jacket. Waterproof footwear and rain gear are a must. Some important tips. Wear comfy, sturdy shoes for exploring. Waterproof ones are great, especially near misty areas. Pack a poncho or waterproof clothing to stay dry in the mist and showers. Be ready for sudden weather changes by carrying extra layers in a backpack. And if you're hitting indoor spots, dress respectfully to meet dress codes. Dressing right at Niagara Falls ensures you're ready for any weather curveball. So, pack smart and enjoy this natural wonder to the fullest. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to ToNiagara for more travel tips. Stay stylish, travelers.